Hi, hello. Welcome to Vision for Development India channel. Okay, especially this video, what I am going to do for the students of 10th and Inter and PUC students. Actually, in my first video of basic concepts of chemistry, who follow that first video, basic concepts of chemistry, they only can understand. So in last video, what we discussed, how to find what is the necessity to by heart atomic number and mass number. And in last, where we stopped in that first video, how to find the number of neutrons. How to find number of neutrons in chlorine. How to find number of neutrons in chlorine. Actually, whenever you are after completion of your 10th class, whenever you join in that either intermediate or PUC, whatever it may be, plus one, first every student has to by heart 1 to 20 atomic number and weight. So what is see, by using these atomic weights, you are going to that atomic weights are going to be useful in so many lessons. For example, in plus one or first PUC or in intermediate, suppose a mole concept, one lesson is there, one topic is there, and acids basis, and in second year so many topics, solutions, electrochemistry, solid state, wherever you move, that atomic weight is required. By that time you can understand clearly. So that's why you need to by heart this. Without knowing atomic number and atomic weight, you can't do anything. That's why first you have to by heart. Now, in last class I asked you how to find a number of neutrons in chlorine. How to find number of neutrons in chlorine. Anyhow, actually, to understand this, whatever I gave you yesterday, that blindly you should by heart. That only you should follow to do anything. Either NEET or JEE Mains or JEE Advanced or CET, whatever may be the exam. But the thing, at the same time you have some idea about the reality. To understand this very clearly, we have to go for reality. In so many years back, I am not a social teacher, it is a little bit social related. So many years back, we know that Earth is formed. After that, so many, anyhow, Earth created well. In this Earth, so many animals there, insects there, and also we all there, human beings. Everything is there, well defined. Everything well defined. What we are doing, we are trying to understand that nature, what is there in Earth or atmosphere or whatever it may be in that surroundings. What is there, we are trying to understand. That only every scientist or otherwise, those who believe God, everything here well defined. We are trying to understand the beauty of God. So in that God creation, already how God created this world, in that God creation, chlorine available in two forms. One is chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. In that God creation, chlorine available in two forms. This is chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Similarly, hydrogen available in three forms. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Actually, in the nature, majority of elements, not all elements, majority of elements available like this. Hydrogen available in three forms. In that God creation or in that nature. John Dalton don't know. By the time of John Dalton, no one can find isotopes after, okay. Anyhow, that reality we are discussing. In nature or in God creation or in this earth, chlorine available in two forms, that is chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Similarly, hydrogen available in three forms, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, you know very well, protium, deuterium, tritium. Similarly, neon available in two forms, neon 1020, and neon 1022. This 10 is atomic number and this 20 is mass number. So actually, this is the reality in that nature we observe. But scientists, what they felt that we may feel difficult to by heart three atomic weights. Down one is atomic number, upper one is atomic weight. What scientists feel that? Scientists every time trying to make easy for us, our students. So what they felt that it is difficult to by heart two atomic weights. That's why they introduced atomic weight, calculated atomic weights. So they introduced calculated atomic weights. They introduced calculated atomic weight. What is calculated atomic weight? Calculated atomic weight. Calculated atomic weight is equal to sigma percentage abundance. Sigma percentage abundance of isotope into 100. Sigma percentage abundance of isotope into A means mass number, by 100. This is the calculated atomic weight formula. What is that? Sigma percentage abundance of isotope into A by 100. So chlorine available in two forms, chlorine 1737, chlorine 35 and 37. What do you say these two isotopes? What are isotopes? The elements having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Here also the elements having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes. So chlorine available in two forms. One is chlorine 1735, another one is chlorine 1737. So what scientists felt that we may felt difficulty to by heart the two atomic weights. That's why they introduced calculated atomic weights. What are that? Sigma percentage abundance of isotope into A by 100. Now sigma means addition, percentage. See, chlorine 1735 available. This available in nature 75%. This is available in the nature 75%, which can be determined experimentally, and this is available in the nature 25%. So this is 75%, and so whenever in reality if you observe chlorine 1735, suppose you collect 100 ml of a chlorine sample, in that 75 ml has the mass like this and 25 like this. So anyhow, this is the a percentage of availability of chlorine. Abundance means availability. In nature, chlorine 1735 available 75% and chlorine 1737 available 25%. Now what is the calculated atomic weight formula? A sigma percentage abundance of isotope into A. What is the percentage abundance of see here two isotopes there. Sigma means addition. Addition of availability abundance. Addition of availability of say chlorine 75. Percentage abundance or availability, all will give occurrence, all will give same meaning. So many elements available in the nature or abundant or availability occurrence, all will give same meaning. So percentage abundance of chlorine 75. One is 75, another one is what? 25. Now I am going to find that calculated atomic weight of chlorine. Now you substitute here. Substitute. So chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Now you substitute sigma percentage abundance of isotopes. Now substitute. What is that? Atomic weight of Cl. Okay. Percentage abundance. This is how much? 75 and this is 25. This is equal to percentage abundance 75 into percentage abundance 75 into mass number. Mass number, down is atomic number, upper is mass number, so 35. 75 into 35 plus. Now next one, 25 into 37 by 100. Now you multiply this one and add, then you will get 3550 by 100. This is equal to 35.5. So what is the atomic weight of chlorine calculated atomic weights. Calculated atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. Actually, in nature, in God creation, chlorine available in two form. For our convenience, a scientist introduced calculated atomic weights. Whenever you buy that plus one textbook or PU textbook or intermediate textbook, you open that textbook. In that periodic table, whenever you are going to observe, there you can observe that weight of chlorine is what is 35.5. Actually, this is not reality in the nature. This is a calculated atomic weight introduced by the scientist, not by the God. It is not really. It is not in there in that nature. So, for our convenience, we are going to make some changes. Anyhow, this is calculated atomic weight. Whatever calculated atomic weights given in the textbook that you follow, that's enough. Similarly, if we go through, so this is the calculated atomic weight of chlorine. Similarly, if we go through that neon. Similarly, if we go through that neon also available in two forms, neon 1020 and neon 1022. So atomic weight